Black seed oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and it is known for its potential health benefits. Welcome guys. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make black seed oil. So I'll be measuring out half cup of black seed, transfer into a blender and blend smoothly. Black seed oil is believed to have cure for many ailments, as black seed is often referred to as miracle seed. And so from the black seed, we are making black seed oil. Black seed oil is also believed to support skin and hair health. It can be applied topically to hydrate skin, reduce acne, and even soothe eczema. It also promotes hair growth. Black seed oil nourish the hair and help with scalp health. And after blending the black seed and they become smooth, I'll be transferring it into a clean collecting container. Black seed oil helps lower blood sugar level. It helps regulate blood sugar, which might benefit individuals with diabetes or those at risk. And after transferring the blended black seed into a clean container, I will add to it 1 cup of coconut oil. Black seed oil also supports immune health due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, helping the body respond to infections and reduce inflammation. And after adding the 1 cup of coconut oil to it, mix well for it to be well combined. Black seed oil supports digestive health because it is known for its antibacterial and antifungal effects. Black seed oil supports gut health and balance, potentially helping with digestive issues like gas, bloating, and even ulcer. After mixing together properly, I'll cover and set it aside for about 7 days so that the black seed can release its nutrient into the oil. And this is the following day. You can see how the black seed oil look like. I will open, stir together, and set aside once again. Repeat this process daily until the 7th day. Black seed oil is sometimes used to relieve symptoms of asthma, as it helps reduce inflammation in the respiratory pathway. And after stirring it together, I'll cover and set it aside once again till the 7th day. And this is the 7th day. And so let's open our black seed oil to see how it looks like. You can see that the black seed has released all its nutrients into the oil. So we stir together and then go ahead to separate the oil from the chaff. And after stirring it together, I will be separating the oil with the help of a cheesecloth. So I will transfer it into the cheesecloth, then squeeze it together to filter the oil. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. And after separating the black seed oil from its residue, here we have our black seed oil. As you can see from the video, the coconut oil we use has taken the color of the black seed, which means the black seed has released all its nutrients into the oil. And now that our black seed oil is ready, store in an airtight container. And please, if you find value in this video, please don't forget to click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. And thanks so much for spending your precious time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.